Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Etsy's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign into your Etsy account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Etsy application. The official page of Etsy application will appear on the screen. Click on You button at the bottom of the page. Tap on Sign In option. Enter your email address and tap on Continue. On the next page, enter a password associated with your Etsy's account and tap on Sign In. It will log you into your Etsy's account in no time. This is how you can log into your Etsy's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.